A new report suggests that the US is indeed getting an all-new 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor. Please keep in mind that Ford has not unveiled the next-generation truck for the United States market, and Ford made no indication that a Raptor version of their midsize pickup truck is making it to the US. In fact, Ford recently teased the F-150 Raptor R, but also made sure it was clear that the Ranger Raptor was not for the North American market. Ford Authority reports that their insider source confirms the next-generation Ranger Raptor for the United States. The 2023 Ranger Raptor is said to be powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, very similar to the one that made its official debut in the 2022 Bronco Raptor. Moreover, the report says the new Ranger Raptor will have a starting price of $52,489.40. We are still skeptical about this news for several reasons. While Ford has been testing what appears to be the next Ranger Raptor prototypes for some time, we have not officially seen the all-new US-spec Ford Ranger. The standard new truck introduction cadence suggests that it's too early to discuss a specialty version of a new generation truck before the base models are even unveiled. With that being said, the 3.0L twin-turbo V6 and the $52,489 price are within the realm of possibility for a US-spec Ranger Raptor. The new 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor and the current US-spec Ford Ranger are built at the same facility in Wayne, Michigan. The Bronco Raptor will use the 3.0L twin-turbo V6. The Bronco and the Ranger share many components. A high-performance version of the next Ranger could use the same engine. What do you think? Should Ford hurry up and unveil the next 2023 Ranger and Ranger Raptor? Should the company sell a Ranger Raptor in the United States? For reference, the 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor starts at over $65,000. The upcoming 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor will start at $69,000.